Okay, guys. So this is like one more review, all right? And then this is more detailed. So you can try this problem. We can try this problem together. And whenever you get any inverse problem, then you can go like this step by step, all right? So let's look at the question. So consider the type of plan that charges a fixed rate of $10 per month plus 7 cents per minute. If M represents the number of minutes, M is the number of the minutes you talk each month, and T represents the total monthly bill. So T is the bill. So that's your total money, right? Then let's think about this one, guys. So 7 cents per minute. What if you talk 10 minutes, guys? 10 minutes, right? Then 1 minute. Okay, let's start with the 1 minute. Sorry. So 1 minute, then what? You pay 7 cents, which is 7 cents is $0.07, right? So I have $10 here, so I will use this. So $10 per month. So anyway, you need to pay that money. So $10 plus, for 1 minute, you pay 7 cents. So answer will be 10.07, right? What if I use 10 minutes? 10 minutes. Then 1 minute, 7 cents. 10 minutes, then 70 cents, right? So $10 plus 70 cents. And I get 70 cents by multiplying 0.07 by 10, right? 10 minutes. So you get 10 plus 0.7, which is 10.7. Let me remove this one. And what about I use 100 minutes? If I use 100 minutes, then what? Anyway, no matter what, you need to pay $10, and then every minute you pay 7 cents. So 7 cents times by 100 minutes, like that. Then you get 10 plus, because 0.07 times by 100, then you get 7, right? So 10 plus 7, $17, right? So write a function rule that models the given situation. So then your total bill for the month, that is equal to 10 plus 0.07, because do you see this one? I just changed those values, right? Depends on your minutes. I changed that one, and then this part I didn't write it, but that's 1, right? 1 minute, then you put 1. 10 minutes, you put 10. 100 minutes, then you put 100. So minutes, 0.07 minutes, right? So it depends on how many minutes you put the number here. So use the function rule from the question 2. We got the function rule. Determine what your bill would be if you talked 100 minutes. Oh, we already got it here. So for 100 minutes, how much do you pay? $17, because T equals 10 plus 0.07 times 100, right? So you get 10 plus 7. I'm just doing the same work again. So 17. So money will be $17. Use the same function rule. How many minutes did you talk if your bill totaled $31? So this guy got $31 for the bill. Then how many minutes did this person talk, right? So then your total money is $31, so you put it in here. I'm going to use this. You put it in the T. Let's see. Let me write it one more time. and total money is $31, so you put 31 here, and you just solve the equation. So to get m, we need to isolate m, right? So you cancel this one, minus 10, minus 10. So when you do minus 10, then you cancel, and 31 minus 10, then you get 21 equals 0.07 m, right? And now I wanna get m, so you divide it by 0.07. 0.07. Cancel, then you have only m, and we need to get 21 divided by 0.07. So 21 divided by 0.07 is 300. So that means 300 minutes, right? 300 minutes. And use the value from question 1 and complete the table below to show inverse relation. So guys, look. So to get the inverse table, then what do? You just switch x and y. This time you have mt. Look at this. You have tm. So I will just copy the numbers. So for the first one, I have 10.07 and 1 minute. So $10.07, then that means 1 minute. And how much was that? 10.7 $10.7, then that was 10 minutes. And $17, then that's 100 minutes, right? So create an equation to determine the number of minutes m you can talk on the phone in terms of the $t. So what does that mean? Find inverse, or you solve it for m, right? We solve it for m. So let me copy this question again. Copy. Isn't this so cool? I love this. So this is my function, and we want to solve it for m, right? I want to isolate this m. So let's do it. So first we need to get rid of this 10. So minus 10 minus 10. So you cancel and you get t minus 10. So t minus 10 equals 0.07 m, right? And then also I told you we want to get m. So we need to get rid of this 0.07. So let's divide it by 0.07. 0.07. Then you will get your answer. So t minus 10 divided by 0.07. Like this. Okay, so please go over this one, guys. So literally, when you get a function, if the question already give you the function, then all you need to do is solve it for other variable. If you need to write the function, then you need to think about it. To get it, you can make a table and then figure out which one is changing value. We call that's the variable. That could be your letter, all right? If you don't change this number, then you don't change that. You need to keep it, okay? And whenever you get original function, you can get some function value by plugging in. And to get the inverse function, you just solve it for the other variable, like this. Do the opposite operation, then you will get your answer, okay? And guys, I told you, you need to try by yourself. If you don't try, you can't get it. Alright? Please try. And look, this is your homework for today. So number one is you're just writing inverse function. So you know how to do that, right? So for this, for example, like d, then what do? F of x, then you change it to y, and you change x and y, and you solve it for y. Solve for y, that means isolate y on one side. So you do plus 15, and then you get x plus 15 equals 8y. So you want to get y only, so divided by 8, like divided by 8. Everything. You need to divide it by, you need to divide everything by 8. So y equals x plus 15 over 8. Okay? And when you keep going down, there's like some word problem. So you have temperature problem one more time. So we did a Fahrenheit and Celsius before, right? So you're doing it one more time, but a different number, so just try it. Alright? So try, when it's F is 12, then you put 12 into F. C is 100, you put 100 into C. And solve for C, then you solve for C, right? Do the opposite operation, make it C equals something. And after that, use that equation, you put 50 into F, then you will get the answer. Okay? And for number 3, it's the same thing. So, membership fee $75, and each time you pay $7.5. So this is similar to that one. So look at this question, our classwork. Check my work, and then you just have different number, guys. This is kind of membership fee, and then that's each time you pay 7 cents. But that question, you have different number. So use that question to figure out this one. And you know that means you're looking for the inverse, right? So try this. And number 4, you just have an equation here. Find the inverse, or 19 pounds. Check the units. R is in pounds. L is in inches. 19 pounds, then what does that mean? That's R. Your R equals 19. So you need to put 19 into R and you will get your L. But before that, you can just get the number like that, but I want you to find the inverse. Alright, I want you to find the inverse function of that one. So I want you to get L equals something, and after that you put 19 into R and get actual value for L. Alright, so this is it. So please review, and I'm thinking Thursday for the quiz. So you do this one today, and then I will check your work on Wednesday. I mean Tuesday night and Wednesday morning I will check it. And Wednesday lesson, I'm gonna go over your work, this work. I'm gonna go over that, and then you will take a quiz on Thursday. Okay? Quiz will be on Alex. But anyway, you need to study, guys. And if you have any question, text me or Google comments, whatever you like. Okay? You have a great day, and see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.